Hi all, welcome back to the channel. I hope we all are doing good. So today I would be sharing a video where I would be showing that how we can enable full screen start menu in Windows 10. So in order to do that, first of all we need to click on start icon at the left bottom corner, and then we need to click on this gear icon which is settings. Once we click on that, we will find the main screen of settings. Over here we need to click on personalization. After clicking on personalization, at the left hand side we can see the start icon. Once we click on that, over here we have the option use start full screen. We just need to trigger it and turn it on. Once it's on, click on start and we will find the whole screen in front of us. Even if you want to undo it, we just need to turn it off and then we get the same screen as we had before. So this is all for the video. If you like the video, do like it. If you don't like it, dislike it as well. If you have any feedback, please share it over the comments. That would be really appreciable. See you soon. Till then, bye bye.